that your day's been going great, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get hacked Apple IDs. This means that you're going to be able to get free paid apps, and you'll be able to actually sign into them. You'll get the username and password, so that's pretty great. And make sure that you click the link in the description so you get a direct link to this website. So once you click on it, it's actually going to redirect you to this. Now once you are at this page, go ahead and click here to continue. You're going to get a 5-second countdown. And once that happens, you are going to want to go ahead and click get link, and there's a good chance that it's going to go ahead and try to redirect you to an ad. If that happens, just switch tabs back to the other one that has the get link button, and once you click it again, it will actually get you to the site. Now before I actually show you how this works, I just want to go ahead and give a shout out to Game Changer. He actually helped me make this video. He made a video about this first, and I seen it on his channel, so I'll make sure to leave a link to his Twitter and YouTube in the description below. So a big shout out there. And once you're here, go ahead and click install now. It's going to give you a pop-up to install a profile. We've done this plenty of times on this channel, but if you're new, go ahead and click the install button in the top right hand corner. If you have a passcode, make sure that you enter it now. And again, it's going to ask you to click install in the top right hand corner. Once you do that, at the bottom of the screen it's going to say install again, and finally at the top right hand corner it's going to say done. Go ahead and click done at the bottom, and then you will have a new app on your home screen. It's going to say ID Vault. Go ahead and launch it, and once you have launched it, you'll get this type of interface. And these people have worked very hard to do this, so make sure that you give them credit. Make sure that you go check out their YouTube channel. Their link is on the app. But just to show you that this is legit, I'm going to be showing you how legit it is. Now you can actually check out the apps that are included with each Apple ID. So for the first Apple ID, there's quite a bit of apps, but to actually get them, you're going to want to go to the Apple ID section, which is the little card icon, and then click the get button. And it's actually gonna ask you to verify that you're not a robot. I hate these things, but you have to complete them every time that you try to get an Apple ID. So pretty simple to do. Once you've done that, click here to continue button, and then again you're gonna get another countdown, and then click get link, and it's gonna redirect you to another page with the Apple ID information, and there you go. But I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, peace out.